Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 6. This is me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmad from Vera Foundation College Noshar Feroz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to solve activity on book page number 48 and 49. Dear students, on book page number 48 there is an activity A, fill in the blanks. So dear students, in these blanks there will be put the suitable words. So I will read down each sentence one by one, and after reading the each sentence I will write down the suitable word to complete the blank. So, dear students, number one, when a computer performs two or more tasks at the same time, it is called a dash. So, dear students, in this blank, you will write down multitask. M-U-L-T-I, multitasking. T-A-S-K-I-N-G. So, dear students, this will be read as multitasking. A folder contains one or more dash. So, dear students, on blank number 2, you will write down one or more files. Okay, dear students. On blank number 3, there is dash. A dash is an operating system based on graphical user interface. In this dash, you will write down Windows is an operating system. Windows is an operating system based on graphical user interface. On blank number 4, dash dash includes programs used to perform routine tasks. So dear students, in these dashes or blanks you will have to write down system softwares. What system software? On number 5, word processor and computer games are examples of dash software. So, dear students, in this blank you will have to write down word processor and computer games are examples of application software. APPLICATION. So, dear students, we have completed activity A, fill in the blanks, and B is state whether following statements are true or false. Rewrite the false statements to make them true. Number 1 is the most important system software is the operating system. So, dear students, the statement that is true, you will have to write down T, and the statement that is false, you will have write down F for this statement. So, dear students, first one statement is true, so you will write down T. Software consists of all the programs that run on a computer. This statement is also true. DOS stands for Digital Operating System. So, dear students, this statement is false because DOS stands for Disk Operating System. Here is written that DOS stands for Digital Operating System. So, dear students, digital is used instead of disk. So, this statement is false. On number 4, Statement is that in a command line interface, the user types a command at a prompt character. This statement is true, so we will write down T in front of this statement. Number 5 is the process of starting a computer is known as booting up. This statement is also correct, so we will write down true to this statement. Okay, dear students. Now, dear students, activity A and B have been completed. Now let's come to solve the activity C, that is on book page number 49. So this activity is based on select the correct option for each question. So dear students, this is also based on the multiple choice question. Number 1 is one of these function is not performed by system software. A. Starting up, shutting down, controlling peripheral devices, word processing. So dear students, word processing is not performed by system software, so we will tick on word processing. Number 2, DOS stands for dash. A. Disk operating system, B. Disk only system, C. Disk operating signals, D. Disk online system. So dear students, you know that DOS stands for disk operating system, so you will have to tick on A. Number 3, a file that stores instructions for running a program is called a dash. A data file, B. folder, C. program file, D. instruction file. So dear students, a file that stores instructions is a programming file. Program file you will have to write down, or you will have to select C to give the answer of this question. Number 4 is which of these is not a feature of GUI? Icon, typed command, menu, pointer. So dear students, typed command is not the feature of GUI. Number 5, N dash allows a user to interact with a machine. Online, icon, instruction, D. interface. You will select D option to give the answer of this question. Dear students, today's lecture based on activity pages, page number 48 and 49 is winded up here, and your homework is to memorize question number 2 and 3 from chapter number 5 from the notes that have been provided you on WhatsApp. So dear students, you will memorize question number 2 and 3 from the notes. We will come in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students.